Hey, good morning, you all. This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. I'm at Braille, New Jersey, and I'm going for deep sea fishing. Today we are targeting sea bass and lingfish. It's nice weather, and I'm expecting a great trip. Lee, look that girl. Lee, that's Lee, man. Oh, that's okay. I'm glad. Oh, nice Lee. Another lake. How beautiful the lake is. Hey ladies and gentlemen, we're done for today's fishing. We caught the bag limit for sea bass. We also caught 4 lings and 1 mackerel. We had a great time. The weather is very nice. The ocean is so calm, as you can see from my background. I'm looking forward to come back. Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. During this sea bass fishing trip, we also caught one of these mackerel. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called the pan-fried mackerel, meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cut off the neck bone and open the belly to remove the head along with the guts. Cut off the meat from the backbone and remove the bone from the fish. Trim off the rib cage from each side. Prepare some ginger scallion pepper. Add some salt, white pepper, and the cooking wine. Squeeze the juice out of the ginger and scallion and marinate the fish for about 15 minutes. Mix a tablespoon of spicy soybean paste with the plain soybean paste. Add a tablespoon soy sauce, a tablespoon cooking wine, and 2 tablespoons water. Add a teaspoon salt, and this is the sauce for the fish. Remove ginger scallion from the marinated fish. Coat some starch from each side of the fish. In a hot pan, sear the fish on each side until it turns golden brown. Add some cooking wine and the ginger garlic to the pan. Now add the sauce and keep cooking until it's condensed. Finally, top with some sesame seeds and scallion on the fish. This is the pan-seared mackerel in soybean paste. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. The subscription is free and your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.